going on? It's Mike back with another video. Today I have the Chemical Guys Valentine's mystery box I'm about to open and reveal. And I have it sitting here to where it says one selling unit, do not break, seal to open. I'm about to break the seal and open it. Let's see what we get. The package was $49, guaranteed at least $79 worth of product. Let's see what we get. I will post everything as I go on the video, so I can see if I even got the value of everything. First, we got, ooh yeah, I wanted to try this, the Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. I did always wanted to try that. I had never had it. The Vitalize Spray Sealant. Sealant protection, gloss enhancer. Obviously, we got the Chemical Guys storage bag. Goes in your back of your trunk. The Total Interior Cleaner. The VO7 High Gloss Car Wash Shampoo, which I heard is really, really good. Got some microfiber blue towels. I believe there's 3 in here, a 3-pack. Let's see, what else do we get? The matte renewal for the floor mats. So when they do fade a little gray, I guess this will renew the rubber and vinyl. Little sample pack. And let's see what I got here. Some stickers. Chemical Guys stickers, which is pretty cool. I like that. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. That's our Valentine's mystery box from Chemical Guys. Thanks for watching.